Alright. This is right before Teddy's. It's recording right now. Can you see it? Where is he?
Where is he?
Teddy!
I don't know. Where did he go? Oh, there he is. By his trusted master.
Hi, Ted.
Hi, Teddy.
Hi, Katie, this is what you guys missed. Whoa! Come on, Ted. Are you filming? Come on, Ted.
Yes, I am.
Make it out. Come on.
Good boy,
Good
Teddy.
boy.
Good boy.
All right, you're.
All
good.
right.
Oh. Yay! Who says I'm an old man?
Note to Mary and Katie. My daughter is 70.
Yeah.
And has bad knees. You can throw him in a snowdrift and see what he does.
See if we can get out.
Because you know what goes around comes around.
You know it.
What else is the word?
And if you guys are karma.
Karma's a bitch.
Hi, Ted. Hi, Ted. Oh, good boy. Good boy. You're such a good boy. Oh. Teddy. Come on. Come on, Ted.
Good boy, Tata.
Oh, good boy.
He still loves you.
He sure does.
Loves you. Wow.
What's not to love?
Well, you might get thrown in another drift.
He's so darn cute. Look at it.
I know.
He's probably gonna poop over there now.